There's no question that life must be lived forwards. In this video, I'll teach you how to deal with the ups and downs of life by failing forward. Hey, it's Matt from Greatness Everyday, and thanks for tuning in to another video. And this one is going to be a little different. It's going to be something new for me, and it's going to be much more of a monologue where I share my reflections with you. So if you like this style of video, please let me know by commenting down below. When I was looking for quotes this week, I found one from Soren Kierkegaard that says, "Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards." And this quote really connected to a lot of the thoughts that I've been having lately. And I really think that as we live our lives, we have these moments of reflection. And these moments of reflection where we look back and see what's happened and we gain so much understanding from the past. Those might be situations that we've gone through personally, and at the time we didn't understand, but as those situations passed, we only gain clarity as to why they happened. Maybe that situation is you losing your job, or maybe that situation is you losing someone who is a huge part of your life, and then all of a sudden they weren't anymore. Or it could be you trying to figure out what to do next after school, or any other tough decision. These things might hurt, and you wonder why they happen, especially to good people. But as time passes, you begin to understand the important role that they played in your life. I've given you a few example situations, and you may be able to connect with those, and you might not, but there could be many more things that we don't understand in the moment, but we understand why those things happen and why they happened the way they did and how they tie into the bigger picture of your life when we look backwards. The saying hindsight is 20/20 is a perfect description for this quote, but we can't live it backwards. It must be lived forwards. And sometimes I struggle with forward motion. I'm someone who loves to be advancing in whatever I do, and that's why I started Greatness Every Day, to challenge people to get the most out of their life. But I have to admit, there are times when this is difficult, and it's difficult to see how things fit into that bigger picture. It may last for a day, it might last for a week, or even longer than that. So what do we do when these times show up in our lives? For me, I try to look back on the moments when I was struggling in the past. I didn't know why things were happening the way they were because it wasn't what I had planned. No one wants to struggle. We want things to be easy for us and be the star of the show, but that's not always reality. Reality is living forward by moving ahead in whatever you do and recognizing that when you have these struggles and you come up against tough times and fail, you must fail forward. Whoa, wait a second. Did I just talk about failing? I absolutely did, because the message of failing forward is so important in my life. The mistakes I've made, the stupid things I've done, and even the lack of action in things that I didn't do or didn't do fast enough and at the right time have all taught me lessons that I've learned greatly from. I also recognize that even though I wonder why things are happening a certain way, sometimes I have to trust that they're working out for my good, and eventually the why will be revealed to me as I look backwards. I want to thank you for listening to my reflections today. I tried to get a little more personal in my response to this quote, so I hope that you enjoyed something a little different, and please let me know what you thought of this style down in the comments below. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on Instagram for daily inspiration and encouragement to live a great life. You can also visit our website at www.greatnesseveryday.online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.